You are now tuned in to Jay's World 77.
With Tim Dog in the house.
What up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Jay's Vlogs. Today we're heading down to Maryland. We're collabing with another YouTuber named,
goes by the name of JEFFJOHNART.
we got a really interesting video set up for you guys, and on the way we got a couple of more stuff that we're trying to do. So this whole vlog is gonna be based on our trip to Maryland. We're driving in our whip, which is the 2016 Kia Sorento. 1050 right now.
It's about three hours, 3.5 hours.
We're somewhere in Maryland right now, but we had to come down, make a pit stop. Dunkin' Donuts, baby. Look at that, we're vlogging against each other. Get the hell off my f***ing vlog, man. Get the hell up out of here.
Dunkin' Donuts, baby.
Shut up.
We gotta have Dunkin' Donuts. We actually pulled over just for Dunkin' Donuts.
Thanks JWorld77 for letting me be in your vlog.
New subscriber.
Woo!
So we have to make a pit stop, Dunkin' Donuts. Yo, you remember back in the day, Dunkin' Donuts?
Yeah, what the trip? We got a dozen donuts.
And guess how many times we used to go in there in a day? That's why we're fat as hell. We're officially in Baltimore. We're about, what, how long are we?
44 minutes away.
We are here.
Going up. First floor.
How are you?
Eighth floor.
Alright, yo, so we finally made it. We're at Hotel Cambria Hotel and Suites. And I gotta tell you guys, the room is really nice. So what we're gonna do is give you a nice little room tour for you guys. So here's the entrance. And to the right, we have the bathroom. And I gotta tell you guys, look at that. The bathroom's real nice. Woo! Stand-up shower. We got the 2 beds, flat screen TV. Oh, you got a microwave and a fridge. Coffee. And a nice closet. And we got 2 couches. And this is our view from our window. Not like an ocean or anything like that, but hey, you know, you got some sort of view. By the way, I'm a very picky dude when it comes to hotel rooms because I work in a hotel itself, so I'm very picky when it comes to it. I gotta stay in a hotel room that's really nice, beds are really nice, and I'm really happy with it. So, Tim Dog.
That's right, that's right.
He did a good job. So we're heading down to the pool area to show you guys how it looks. Fitness center, fancy schmancy. Looks nice. Okay. Okay now. All right, Tim Dog, let's see. Come on. There you go. Oh, shit. Look at them pec, baby. Pecs are right. All right. Cool. What's your name? Alex. All right, Alex. It's pretty nice in here. Whirlpool tub, baby. Cambria Hotel and Suites. Pool is sweet. I don't even know if we're going to swim, but hey, it's here.
Nah, I didn't bring my props.
We're gonna go naked. Alex, you don't mind, right? We're gonna go naked, Alex. Tim Dog, since he works for the hotel, Choice Hotels, we get a discount. I think normal room rate is about 180.
74.
Yeah, say 174 plus tax. You're basically looking at $200. But we got it for $63.70. We got a bellman from Cambria. He's pretty cool. And I gotta tell you that ever since we came in here, he was very friendly. And I wanted to introduce you guys. And Your name is?
¿Qué pasó, amigo?
Fernando. Are you Fernando? Hey, Fernando.
¿Qué pasa?
You want a nice tip, bro? You gotta work, bro.
Sí, señor.
All right.
All right, guys, biggest skateboard in the world, in the parking garage. Ah, shit! Look what we got! Look what we got! Look what.
Yo, amigo, what are you doing, amigo? Yo, you're gonna crash. Yo, we're gonna crash. Fernando, you're doing a great job, Fernando.
Muchas gracias.
So all that you see on there is all mine, except for one thing, which is that bag.
This bag is mine.
That's Tim Dog's, and everything else is mine. This is how the bed is supposed to look like. This is how they make it. But this is how I make mine, because this is my own blanket, my own sleeping bag that's underneath it, and all the pillows are inside here, but I have my own sheet that's covered over it. So I'm gonna sleep on the pillows, but my sheet on it, and of course I got my own pillow. This is my pillow. I don't go nowhere without this pillow. So basically that's stock, and that's customized to Jay's World 77. What up, guys? Like I told you guys, we came up with we're collabing with another YouTuber, and his name is
JEFFJOHNART.
He actually does painting. What is it, oil painting, or is it just painting?
Acrylic on canvas.
So he's gonna be doing something that we wanted for our studio. It's just an outline.
I just sketched it out really quick.
Yeah. So what's the procedure? What's the procedure that you normally do? You sketch it out first?
Yeah, I usually just sketch it out real quick. It's not really anything detailed. But once I sketch it out, then I usually put the background color in. And after that, then I throw in the details of the face and stuff like that. So this is the painting you won.
By the way, he was doing a giveaway, and I commented, and I actually won this. Let me show you what I won. He did this, and it took you how long?
This one was like a 15-minute painting.
And as you guys can see, the first color's on there. It's gonna be blue. And I can't wait to show you guys the finished product. So, Mr. JEFFJOHNART, he's almost, actually he's in the middle somewhere. He's working back there, as you guys can see. And I've seen it, so far it looks dope. I can't believe from a white canvas he can make all this shit happen. It's actually amazing just to see this come alive. Well, it's that time of night. It's time for bed. I can see he's gonna be knocked the hell out. He snores, by the way, so I gotta listen to all that tonight.
Look at my eyes.
It's ugly, isn't it? Ugly as hell, I know. We're tired, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and eat because I'm hungry. Hot Pockets.
Chips.
He was stinking up the bathroom, by the way. He was making some weird ass freaking noises.
I had gas.
Holy crap. That literally holy crap.